Why so many places spawning? The rain just wouldn't stop, made me run in slippers.
Why is it so cold?
I heard it's because of a monsoon surge, but what the Singma is a monsoon surge? According to NEA, the monsoon surge is forecast to bring rainy and windy weather in Singapore over the next 4 days. So if you think it's over, wait long. Daily minimum temperatures may also dip to
22 degrees Celsius in some places.
no wonder I keep waking up and then I have to go toilet. According to PUB, intense downpour may overwhelm the canal and drains temporarily. So it may cause some flash floods in Singapore. I already saw this in some places from a video from Woodlands where flash flood has occurred. And still some car want to drive across. So instead of driving, you may want to consider running. I mean walking with an umbrella. But beware because the road is very slippery, so you may fall down. For those feeling down because of the rain, don't worry. At least you got more hair than me.